Alright guys, so this is the honey super I was talking about. It's got a lot of honey, it's got a lot of bees coming up through here. I want those bees to be around to help the queens that are right down in here to keep them warm. This was just a very strong hive when I came over here with my queens, so I decided to use this one as my queen bank. Blow a little smoke in here. They're angry today. I just got popped in the ear. That's not a very good one. Good experience. All right. So I need to pull 4 of them out. I'm gonna blow a little bit of smoke. Not necessarily for the queens, but check out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 13. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out. Make sure she's alive. She is. It's her right here. It's alive. Yep. Just grab 2 more. See if I can find one that had the cork in there. This one right here. So I had. So I can get that out without. Goodness. Queen. Yep, she's moved. I can see her moving in there. I'll grab this one here on the end. Make sure she's alive. All right, let me kind of peek. That one there on the left's alive. The one over here on the right's alive. Let me look around here. That one's alive. I guess this one's alive. Yeah, I see it moving in that one. Moving in these. Alive. I mean, they're most likely, I can't see because of all the bees, but I doubt they'd be dead if the bees are hanging around that much. Who knows? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in there. That's about perfect for me. All right.